Saturday and me and my sister are going for a cycling tour, and this weekend is planned with DBC which is Delhi Bicycles. तो ये एक Instagram ग्रुप है जो साइकिलिंग टूर ट्रैकिंग ऐसे प्लान्स करते रहते हैं हर वीकेंड पर. सो दिस टाइम मी एंड माई सिस्टर डिसाइडेड टू डू साइकिलिंग टूर एट लोधी आर्ट गैलरी गार्डन न्यू दिल्ली. तो या वी आर राइट नाउ इन द कैब और अभी हम जा रहे हैं वहाँ पर. सो या से हाय हेलो. या वी आर एक्साइटेड एंड फर्स्ट टाइम हम अपने कुछ वीकेंड पे ऐसा कुछ प्लान कर रहे हैं. एंड अगर आप भी अपने वीकेंड पे कुछ एक्साइटिंग ऐसा प्लान करना चाहते हैं तो डू कॉन्टैक्ट देम. आई विल ड्रॉप देयर कॉन्टैक्ट इन माई डिस्क्रिप्शन. ओके.
I'll just give you a brief of what we're going to do today and some safety instructions while we're on the road. Okay. So about the tour, Lodi cycling tour. Now this is the Lodi colony. If you guys know, the Lodi art event is going on, the Lodi art festival is going on. I'll be frank with you, it's my first time actually going there this time. So we'll just figure this out together कि क्या क्या चल रहा है. And if possible, we'll spend the maximum time there. If you read the itinerary, उसमें और भी चीज़ें प्लान की. We plan to go to Rajasthan state. We plan to go to Lodi Garden. So Lodi Garden most probably जाएंगे. Rajasthan we can skip it. Lodi Garden ठीक है. So again that's it. थोड़ा सा flexible रहेगा. On the ground situation देखेंगे क्या लगेगा and we'll go ahead. ठीक है ना. Yeah, that's Lodi Garden. If possible, we'll go and see Rajasthan store. It's a nice place. It's a quiet place. So अगर Lodi Garden के store से दूर जाने का मन करेगा, we will go there. Then we'll stop for a few days and then afterwards we'll go to Lodi Garden. We'll spend some time there, talk about it. ये last area बनाया था जो ब्रिटिशर्स बना के गए. उसके बाद से like this was finished in the early 1940s and soon after the Britishers left India. So you can actually see in the architectural style जिसमें arches दिखेंगे. घरों के अंदर भी आप देखोगे you see a lot of arches, a lot of British architecture. That's kind of the last remnants of British rule. Now coming to the Lodi Art District. Nearly 10 years ago, there's this organization known as the Start India Foundation. So they have been involved in a lot of street art projects in Delhi, in India, and so they finally decided that these walls, they will paint these walls. The idea was that they didn't want art to be confined to a paid gallery or to private collections, and so they wanted to make art accessible to everyone. So they collected a lot of artists, they collected a lot of foreign internationals. They used a lot of political power, a lot of political will to convince the NCD, to convince the government to actually give permission for all this. Because even to this day, these are all government-owned flats. The government workers, central government workers, they live here. So they had to do all of that. That started 10 years ago. And occasionally they have these art festivals where they paint new walls and host different events. That's what's going on right now. So we'll go ahead, we'll see what's happening, kahan pe kya chal raha hai. We'll see some new walls that are probably being painted. We'll try to find out if there's some event going on right now that we can see, and we'll see where that goes. So there's 50 plus walls already that are painted just like this one, and more are on the way as we are going to see today. So that's the general idea behind the Lodi Art District. We won't be able to see all the paintings today obviously. Uske liye we'll need to spend a whole day, wo alag kahani hai. But we'll see some of the few ones that are live. We'll see some of the new things that are happening in the Lodi Art District right now. And so that's the general idea here. Now, coming to this table, दो चार दिन बाद जब भी करेंगे तो कॉलेज के बाहर एक फाइनल so all the four paintings here just now you would think that this is meant to depict some nostalgia, but it's actually depicting somebody's experience of coming to India and seeing India. All their power. The popular emperors, Shah Jahan, Akbar, Aurangzeb, सब मर गए थे. And especially after Aurangzeb, the decline of Mughal Empire started. So this guy comes in. He actually came in from the Persian region, Safavid dynasty थी पिछले ज़माने में. And जब वो collapse हुई, he came here. Initially, he was not associated with the Mughals directly. He was under Nawab of Bengal, Nawab of Awadh, and कुछ करके there was a point after the battle of Buxar, the Mughals had also lost control of Delhi for the most part. And this guy Najib Khan, he was employed by the Mughals and the Marathas both to go and capture Delhi back. So he won, and after that he was made the commander of Mughal army. And under him the Mughal army मतलब थोड़ी बढ़िया थी. They were actually able to hold a sizable amount of units, sizable troops, and well maintained stuff. He died early, he died in his 40s, and after that it all collapsed. So at a point where the Mughals were able to hold their own territories, Delhi, Agra and Punjab side के थोड़े से regions. Soon after he died, the Punjab side से Sikh country, Sikh empire, they attacked, and a lot of things happened. So basically his death kind of accelerated the downfall of Delhi. And eventually British command aa gayi, and then we reached to Bahadur Shah Zafar. And Bahadur Shah Zafar was obviously the only मतलब नाम में राजा. And obviously अलग कहानी है. They actually he was so close to winning power, but then 1857 and it मतलब ऊपर गया and नीचे चला गया. But garden. So the garden was constructed around the time जब नई दिल्ली बन रही थी. So CP, India Gate, Parliament, all of that. Along with that उन्होंने कहा थोड़ा ये वाला एरिया भी redevelop करते हैं. So they found some land जहाँ पे mostly खाली था. There was one village here, नाम था खैरतपुर, and they removed the villages, destroyed the buildings and built a garden over it. वहाँ पे जो रहते थे, they moved them to an area near Nizamuddin, and so they built all of this. And initially it wasn't Lodhi Garden. Initially it was known as Lady Willingdon's Park. You can actually see that even today. आगे जाके गेट है, उसके एंट्री पे there's still written Lady Willingdon's Park because it's engraved. तो किसी ने अब तक हटाने की मेहनत नहीं करी है. इंस्टाग्राम पे पॉपुलर हो जाएगा तो वो भी हो जाएगा कि अब तक अंग्रेज़ों का नाम क्यों है. But yeah, Then we became independent, and 1950s 60s में there was a plan to redesign the Lodi Gardens. अगेन उस टाइम पे लेडी वेलिंगटन पार्क भी था. जब उसको रीडिज़ाइन किया गया उसके साथ ही दे ऑल्सो रीनेम्ड इट टू द लोधी गार्डन, एंड उसके साथ में जो कॉलोनी है उसको भी लोधी गार्डन कॉलोनी का नाम मिल गया. लोधी नाम इसीलिए सिलेक्ट हुआ था बिकॉज भाई देयर अ लॉट ऑफ मॉन्यूमेंट्स हियर. There's Mughal monuments, there's Sayyid, there's Tughlaq, but the most popular, the most significant ones are from the Lodi era. जो लोधी एरा था, बाय द वे, दिस इज नॉट रिलेटेड टू द मुगल्स एट ऑल. दिस वाज प्री मुगल टाइम. हाँ, दिल्ली सल्तनत. सो लोधीज वर द लास्ट डायनेस्टी ऑफ द दिल्ली सल्तनत, एंड जो बाबर ने जिसको हराया था यहाँ से कंट्रोल के लिए, दैट वाज इब्राहिम लोधी. एंड उसके हारने से फिर वी हैव द होल मुगल हिस्ट्री. डोंट नो व्हाई दिस स्ट्रक्चर वाज बिल्ट. So if you go inside, there's no tomb in the middle that you would see in a typical grave. This is not a grave. So yeah, so this is not a grave, and there's no real historical records about why it was created. And so ultimately we don't really know. A lot of these records get destroyed over time, and these things happen. So ultimately हमें एक जनरिक सा बड़ा गुंबद नाम दे के हमने छुट्टी कर दी. We do know it was created in the Lodi era, so it was like probably created under the second Lodi king, whose name was Sikandar Lodi. But other than that, we don't know much. It's theorized कि आगे ना यहाँ पे एक mosque है, so maybe it was like a gateway to the mosque, or somehow connected to the mosque, or it was just otherwise a meeting place. So can't say for sure, but that's one of the theories. Or it was just a normal landmark or a meeting place for people to gather, or just a communal area. But again, we aren't sure. इसके आगे हम अभी घूम के जाएंगे. There's a गुम्बद होना, शीश गुम्बद. उसके ऊपर there's these really beautiful blue tiles. Now that is actually a grave. That's actually a tomb, sorry. And so it's pretty similar in structure. It's a little smaller than this one, and in far worse condition. Both for a meeting. But yeah, so that's a little bit about this one.
Which is very remote. Then you see the gut, and then you see the stars on top. कुछ एरिया में even David Star वाला भी मिलता है. Yeah, so it's some melting culture and calligraphy. You can see calligraphy at the border. Local cultures and all come together to create monuments like this.
Ultimately, this is known as Indo-Islamic architecture, not Islamic architecture. जो ये लोटस फ्लावर वाली बात कहते हैं, that is only seen in Indian monuments. Islamic architecture you won't see it in Afghanistan. Afghanistan में बात मिल भी जाएगा, because it is Pakistan or that part of India. But उसके आगे जाओगे ईरान, not there. Other Muslim temples. बट थियोरीज हैं कि जो इब्राहिम लोधी के कोर्ट के मेंबर्स थे, जो हाई रैंकिंग मेंबर्स थे, दे आर बरिड यहाँ पे ही एक्चुअली पास में सिकंदर लोधी स्कूल. सो इफ यू गो इन दिस डायरेक्शन देयर इज अ लेक, उसके लेक के आगे बिहाइंड इट देयर इज सिकंदर लोधी स्कूल. आज हम वहाँ पे जा नहीं पाएंगे बिकॉज वो बंद है, कुछ रेनोवेशन चल रही है वहाँ पे. बट इफ़ यू एवर गेट द टाइम यू कैन डेफिनेटली सी. इट्स अ प्रीटी यूनिक ग्रेव, जो कि मतलब इट्स प्रीटी हार्ड टू सी इट एक्सेसिबल. जो खुला होगा, इट विल टेक सम टाइम बट इट विल ओपन अप सून. या that's about it for now. We'll start moving back now अपना towards parking, and then we'll go back to the starting place. चलो, congratulations for completing this ride through Delhi. And you were an amazing crowd, amazing people. I had a really good time. I just have these survival certificates for you guys. as a congratulations
Survival
for
certificate.
yes,
To
for
survive
making
you?
it. No,
My second
for surviving Delhi. For surviving Delhi. So it also has details about our other trips, other tours.
कितने दिन तक चलेंगे यमुना टूर वाले?
स्कैन दिस क्यूआर कोड, बॉटम पे एक ड्राइव का लिंक आएगा एंड उस ड्राइव पे I'll make a folder for today's tour. So it will be something like today's date 7th February 2026 and Lodhi tour. So just put all the pictures over there. मेरे पास भी कुछ होंगी मैं डाल दूँगा, but definitely do that so that सबको मिल जाए. कुछ WhatsApp का झंझट नहीं है, this is very good. Yeah, that's it from my side. I hope you have a lovely rest of the weekend. And yeah.
Now we are going back to our flat.
50 रुपए.
अभी हम जाकर मेट्रो स्टेशन से अपनी मेट्रो लेंगे and then फिर हम घर जाएंगे.
मेट्रो से. बुलंद में चाहिए. इसमें बुलंद में है. बुलंद.
क्या प्राइस है? क्या प्राइस है? क्यों? Now we are home and हमारी सोसाइटी के नीचे एक फेयर लगा हुआ है जहाँ पर खाने की चीज़ें खेलने के लिए और मतलब एक फेयर टाइप का ही है और बहुत सारे कपड़े भी है खरीदने के लिए. हाँ मतलब लोकल फेयर्स जैसे हाँ लोकल फेयर्स जैसे होते हैं ना वैसे सेम लगा हुआ है. तो हम वो भी नीचे से घूम कर आ रहे हैं अभी और या हमने कुछ पैक करा लिया क्योंकि मेरा भाई हम लोग के साथ नहीं था तो हम लोगों ने फ्लाइट के लिए खाना पैक करा लिया है सो दैट हम तीनों अब अपना डिनर कर सकें. So yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it and if you like it, do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Till then, be happy, lots of love. Bye bye.